Hey guys, Fungus here, and today I am showing you how to make a perfect museum for your little fishes. So, first you go want a scanner room, and yes, my base is big. I'm in creative right now, but we go need a scanner room, which mine is over here. You want to go in here. Well, wrong room. Hee. You want to go over here to your scanner rooms. They should come with your cameras. Go in. Go to the fabricator. Make sure you get a scanner room HUD chip. Okay, that's gonna help a lot. You wanna go to the first page. Well, you might see second page, but go to the creature egg and click on it. It will automatically scan the whole area nearby for creatures. You can make it scan faster and increase its range. So when it will just, if you have a HUD chip, it will start loading up all the scanners things on your HUD. Then what you want to do is, let's say I see those creature eggs. I want to get my stuff. Well, but those creature eggs are in my aquarium. But let's say I want to get these. They would be here, and you will want to get a bunch of creature eggs. Make sure you have all your creatures in your habitat scanned, or else it might end up to something thing. Make sure you grow some stuff. You want to drop some eggs down here so then they hatch in here, and then they will not become hostile to you unless they were from the ocean. If they hatched in here, then it will say, hey, they lived the life in here, and that we're friendly. Okay? If not, then we'll totally plan to kill you. Okay? Make sure of that, and you want to make it look like that. Make it look like we're actually in the ocean. So get your builder out, climb your ladders, I know, and build some windows. Make it decorated, and make sure you have something secure to prevent floods, cause literally you probably don't want a reinforcement, or else they won't want to live their life here. So the one problem is, when you have these ladders, it will be a problem. Let me turn off this music, but you get what I mean, and you'll need to get everything that you need. Feed on. See, if you want your things. So you just want to make sure that you save your game, or else you won't have this beautiful thing. And make sure you have a video, because you're going to be wanting to watch these. A lot of things, how you get the plants, you want to get a thermal blade, because it can cut better things, and it cooks people if you hit a fish by accident. That's gonna be it for today's video, and bye.